Okay guys, slightly different video today. For many of you experienced with RCs, this is going to be a pretty basic one for you guys, but I'm always quite conscious of the newer hobbyists that are starting to learn. And I was one of these newbies not so long ago, and I remember the first time working on ARC, it was pretty daunting. I had no idea what I was doing, and I remember spending a lot of time doing my research and watching videos like this on YouTube as a way of learning. So while I was swapping to the softer springs on my Rlaarlo XTS S10, I filmed the key steps, and I hope it helps some of you guys that are newer to the hobby and learning your way through it as well. These feel a little bit softer.